Out of this.
What?
Doing out of this.
No, I thought we agreed on.
I'll get the cups.
Yeah.
I'll get the cups.
Yeah.
Fuck. The art in this hotel is garbage.
Okay, here.
This isn't 2 cups. Bags are hard.
So.
Bags are hard. Okay.
Here's what you're gonna do.
Wait. What are we doing?
Okay, so
Martini.
You take the vermouth.
Okay.
Pour some in the glass. La.
I know you.
Okay, so now you're gonna take that, and yes.
I know what rimming the glass
and
means.
now the extra you're gonna pour into this glass because that's a lot of vermouth. After you're done rimming it.
I'm gonna rim it good.
You are really good at rim jobs. Look at you.
Look at this.
Okay, yeah. It's fucking leaves.
Is that all you need in that?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Now you gotta do the same with that one.
There's not enough in here now. I mean, I
That's
guess.
fine.
I bought that whole thing of vermouth for this.
Yeah.
I've never made martinis before. Shaken, not stirred. Shaken, not stirred. This is what Sean Connery drank.
You don't want it dirty.
I don't. You said it'll be smoother if it's dirty, right?
No, I prefer it not dirty.
Well then, I drink what you're drinking.
Okay.
Pasta. Okay. Toothpick.
Okay, yeah. Now you need toothpicks.
I have good ones and shitty ones in this. Let's find the good ones.
Stab like 2. They're really big.
Wait. 1 or 2?
2.
They're really big and that's good? Why would I want 2 if they're really big?
Yeah. Now take it and just like,
Okay.
and then drop it in the middle.
Okay.
Now do it again.
Well, you do it now.
You want me to do it?
Yeah, I want to see it fail. If it fails, I want to see that you failed and I'm the best. Although, I took the easy ones.
Why would you do this to me?
It's physics. I literally can't. Wow, you got them both in one spare.
Bitch.
Fuck.
Okay, so now you take the ice.
Okay. We're gonna do.
Now you're supposed to have 2.5 ounces.
Oh, this is gonna be.
And you're supposed to have half an ounce of vermouth. I guess you could use a little bit more vermouth.
Oh, thanks. Well, that one has a little more.
What's half an ounce?
Not what we have in there. Like that much is like half an ounce.
Okay, yeah, that's fine.
Whatever. Whichever one tastes shittier, I'll drink that one.
Okay, so now you're gonna take.
I got ice in one.
2.5 ounces of gin. Ginseng.
We are using Brooklyn gin because America and North New York. Okay, so this is literally gonna be gas. Why does I feel this? Feel this.
I was looking at myself in the mirror. I'm sorry.
Hot.
Oh my god, this is fucking heavy.
This is heavy. All right, ready? 2.5 ounces.
Yeah.
That's like what, 2.5 shot glasses worth?
A shot glass is an ounce.
1, 2, and a little bit.
Look, I'm a functioning alcoholic.
Okay, I'm assuming that's 2.5. We could be completely fucking
so
wrong.
now you have to figure out a way to shake, or you can, I guess. I don't know. Yeah, sure.
My Lacoste shirt.
Now, do you want ice in yours?
Probably not.
Okay, so you're gonna have to strain that. Yeah, use your finger. Cool. Yeah. There you go. And that's a martini. I like ice in mine.
Well, that'll be mine then.
On the rocks, sir.
Yeah.
That's a lot of. What are you trying to do to me?
That's the same amount as in that one. I know how much I weighed it.
Dump
You want
it.
all that ice? All of
Yeah.
it?
I would probably take more ice. Oh yeah, you gotta fill that cup with ice. Like I like it on the rocks. Yeah, just fucking
Maniac.
use your hand. Yeah, that's great.
What? My hands are clean. I'll put 1 piece of ice in mine.
Okay, now we're.
There are 2 pieces of ice. All right. Mine still sticking up.
I feel like someone's gonna swallow a toothpick and this is gonna end up.
Yours is in there. I'll let you deal with that. All right. I would like you to drink. All right, we're gonna drink at the same time.
Okay.
Oh, we got to tap.
Boink.
Blinkies, boys and goyles. Ready? Here we go.
You're gonna hate it.
I'm gonna hate it. I've had worse. That is strong as fuck, though. Holy shit.
Yeah, it's all alcohol. And a little snack. It's a great drink.
Ugh. That's so heavy. And it's just a solid metal
Do you
fucking.
still have chips?
Yeah. All right. Me and Pasta are gonna have Chipotle chips and martinis. Gonna have an olive.
You hate olives.
I know, but I had to suck the pit out. What'd I do?
They should not have pits. What did you do?
What is this? It's martini olive.
Yeah, that's a. What do you call that thing?
What?
It's like a pepper. It's good.
Oh.
Just eat it.
I hate olives. Let me get rid of the flavor of this olive with this fucking.
I'm so proud of you. Like, are you just pretending to like it because gin's my favorite?
I hate it.
You hate it?
I mean, I wouldn't order it again.
This is my go-to drink.
Is it good though? We mix it right?
I mean, it tastes like a martini.
Yeah, no, I would not go to this drink. But I promised we'd go to Martini Land, so. Happy Martini Land, everybody. This is how you fucking do it. You literally, they should sell this in a goddamn travel size, because there's no reason to have this much vermouth. Sweet vermouth on the rocks with a twist, please. Is the order from Groundhog Day.
Like, smell the vermouth. It's not spicy, but it's...
I smell like olives. Everything smells like olives.
You put too much and it's just not good.
Maybe it'll be good for me. Maybe I'll squeeze some oranges in there. That's what I could put in my vodka. All right.
This will fuck you up. Like, this is...
Good night, everyone. Puke now.